Hey, Newman. I have freeze-dried mixed vegetables and fresh from frozen mixed vegetables. You pick which one you like. Okay, Coco, your turn. I have fresh from frozen mixed vegetables and freeze-dried mixed vegetables. Let's see which one you like best. Here. There's a corn right here. Look, there's corn. Okay, what's going over here with Cookie? Cookie, you want to do the taste test? Newman's eating everything. Okay, Cookie, your turn. You like fresh or freeze-dried? Try it. You gotta try it. Newman's eating. He's like, I don't like that. What about you, Newman? You're still eating yours. Yeah. You try it, Cookie. Come on. Wow, Coco, you really like that. Let's see if Kiwi wants to try. Kiwi likes these. We'll see what Kiwi says. Okay, Kiwi, you can taste test. You're my best taste tester. Okay? Do you want frozen from fresh? Or do you want freeze-dried? You try. Oh, Kiwi! That's no good! You don't like any of them? This? You spit it out. Kissy likes anything. She's gonna get 5 buttons. Good girl. Hey, Rue. Do you want to do a taste test? None. Wow, you like that, eh?